Today we're going to show you how to change the drive belt on your washer. It's a really easy job. All you're going to need is a putty knife and a Phillips screwdriver. Let me show you how we do it. Now before we begin this repair, the first thing we'll need to do is to disconnect the power to the washer. Simply pull the plug from the receptacle. Now to do this repair, we do need to remove the front panel. The easiest way to do that is to first of all release the two spring catches on the top of the front panel that engage the main top. Just take a putty knife and slide them in, about 3 inches in from either side. Depress the spring clip and just allow the top to float. Now with the Phillips screwdriver, we will remove 2 screws at the bottom of the front panel, one on either side. And once you have removed both the screws, just grasp the front panel on either side and push straight down on it. That will disengage it from the cabinet, and you can tilt it out and remove it to gain access. Now to remove the belt on this washer, we will be reaching into some tight areas here, and the metal on this machine is fairly sharp edges, so we'll want to wear some protective gloves while we're doing this repair. First thing we're going to do is to push in on the idler pulley in the front here. Push it in as far as it'll go until it actually hits up against the transmission pulley, and then reach in with your other hand and start rolling that belt off of the transmission pulley. Let it roll off onto the bottom. And then we can pull the whole belt right out from beneath the transmission and the motor and the idler pulley. So we discard the old belt and we'll slide the new one in underneath the transmission pulley and underneath the idler, around the motor pulley. And we'll again push the idler towards the transmission pulley and then slowly roll that belt onto the large transmission pulley. Turn it a few times, make sure it's on all pulleys. And now we're ready to put the front panel on. Now that we've completed our repair, we're ready to put the front panel back on. So we'll line it up on both sides, engage the 2 hooks on either side with the 2 slotted openings in the cabinet. And then we'll pull up on that front panel till it's flush on either side with the top. Once you have it flush, we'll replace the 2 Phillips screws on the bottom. Next, we'll make sure that the top lines up with the locating pins on either side of the cabinet. And they will fit into corresponding holes on the bottom of the main top. Once they're lined up, just snap the front of it into place. And our repair is complete.